Hello everyone, my name is Tabasum and I am here to present a full stack application which I have created using Node.js application using Express.js framework and Firebase 5-star for database integration. Let us see the web application. We have to use localhost for accessing this web application. Here is the home page which I have created using those concepts, and it is designed to handle the user sign up and sign in process and render the different pages based on the user's action. And the main theme of this application is to display the recipe ingredients and recipe process when users search for the respective recipe name. And this is the home page of my application, and if we need to search any recipe first, then we need to sign up. Sign up process ensures that both email address and username are unique, preventing any duplicates in the database. So, once the sign up process is successful, then it will render the login page, and we need to in this process it checks for the correctness of the mail and password to ensure the user only can log in when we enter the correct credentials. Once login successful, then it redirects to the dashboard. And in this dashboard, I have used a meal database which fetches information about the meals from the external API based on the user's input, and it displays the detail of the specific meal like ingredients used and how to make the recipe and its quantities. By using the API endpoint and the user's input query, API makes the request, and once the request is successful, it extracts the information about a recipe from the response data. Let us see the output. If we give the input query as paneer, it fetches the data from the meal database, and it will display the information like the recipe name, image, and the instructions and the ingredients, and it displays those all items in a container. And when we click on the view recipe button, it will show the instruction to make the recipe. If we click search, and if we click the search button as empty, it will give us a message like input field cannot be empty, and the input and the search input must be a valid input, and if it is invalid, then it will display the message like invalid input. And if the API fails to get the data, it will display an error message in the result container. And here is an account details, and in this I have given an logout button. If you click on that button, it will redirect you to the home page, and you need to sign in once again to access the information. In the summary, this application allows you to search for the meal recipe based on the user's input, fetches the data from an API, displays the meal details, and provide options to view or hide the recipe. Like this web application will work. If we click on the logout button, it will redirect you to the home page. If we log in once again, then it will redirect you to the dashboard once again, and we can type. And these are the popular cuisines which I have given in this application, and we can fetch about the making process of these popular cuisines by the meal database. If we give the input as it will display the image and its ingredients and its making process. Like this API key works. Here this page not only displays the Indian food items, it also displays the food items which are continental. Here I have mentioned some of the continental dishes which it retrieves from the API, like Indian, British, French, Canadian, Japanese and American. So this is the full stack application which I have developed using all those concepts. Thank you.